Good morning, dear students. So in today's class, we'll look at a few more problems on finding circulation and work done. So in the last class, we have seen what is circulation and work done. So they are common applications of line integral. So both are given by, so if f is a vector field, then here we are going to calculate integral over c f dot dr, where c is some curve. So the first question is, find the circulation of f around the curve C, where f equal to yi plus zj plus xk, and C is the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 and z equal to 0. So circulation is given by integral over C f dot dr. Now first we will write the parameterization of C. On C, z is equal to 0. അപ്പോൾ z 0 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് dz 0 ആയിരിക്കും, ആൻഡ് യു ഹാവ് എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് വൈ സ്ക്വയർ ഈക്വൽ ടു 1. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് എ യൂണിറ്റ് സർക്കിൾ. ഇപ്പോൾ റേഡിയസ് 1 ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, so the parameterization is x equal to 1 cos t and y equal to 1 sin t. So for the circle, the angle will vary from 0 to 2 pi, and z and dz are 0. So the line integral f dot dr is integral y dx plus z dy plus x dz varum dot product edukkumbol. So this is what you are going to get: y dx 0 dy and x dz is 0 ആണ്. So last രണ്ട് terms 0 ആവും. So remaining you will get integral over c y dx. So on substituting x and y, so y is sin t and dy is dx is ഇവിടുന്ന് dx എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ x equal to cos t, അപ്പോൾ dx will be minus sin t dt. So that is minus sin square t. So that is minus of 1 minus cos 2t by 2 dt. So on integrating you will get minus 1 by 2 t minus sin 2t by 2 from 0 to 2 pi. So on taking the limits we will get minus 1 by 2 into 2 pi. So the value of circulation is minus pi. And the second question is, you need to find the circulation of f around the curve C, where f is equal to e raised to x sin y I plus e raised to x cos y j, and C is a rectangle whose vertices are 0 0 1 0 1 pi by 2 and 0 pi by 2. So circulation is integral over C f dot dr. Now C consists of the line segments OA, OB, BC and CO. So integral over C f dot dr will be the sum of all this integrals along OA, AB, BC and CO. So that is the circulation. So we will find along each curve. ഓരോ curveലും നമ്മൾ we will find out what is the circulation. So integral over C f dot dr will be the sum of all that. Now you can see that along OA, so OA is a line segment joining 0 0 and 1 0. So along OA, y constant ആണ്, y യുടെ value throughout OA 0 ആണ്, and x will vary from 0 to 1. So y 0 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് dy 0 ആവും. So your integral is, ഇപ്പോൾ y 0 ആകുമ്പോൾ sin y ഈ ടേം 0 ആവും, ഇവിടെ dy 0 ആണ്. So the integrand becomes 0. So the value along OA is 0. Now along AB, you can see that x is fixed. X is equal to 1 and y varies from 0 to pi by 2. So dx is equal to 0, y varies from 0 to pi by 2. So integral over AB f dot dr is 0 to pi by 2. First term dx 0 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് 0 ആവും. So second term e cos y വരും. So that is e sin y. So integral is e sin y from 0 to pi by 2. So that is e sin pi by 2, which is equal to e. And now along the third curve. So on the third curve, y is equal to pi by 2 and x is varying from 1 to 0. So y fixed ആണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് dy 0 ആയിരിക്കും and x is varying from 1 to 0. So integral over BC f dot dr is integral 1 to 0 e raised to x sin pi by 2 dx. So that is integral 0 to 1 minus e raised to x dx. So that is minus e raised to x from 0 to 1. So you will get minus of e minus 1. Now along CO x is fixed. So x is 0 and y varies from pi by 2 to 0. So along CO you will get dx equal to 0. So the integral is integral pi by 2 to 0. So other term 0 out cos y dy. So you will get sin y from pi by 2 to 0. So the value is minus 1. So on adding all the values, so you are going to get 0. So that is the value of circulation. And the next problem is find the work done when a force F equal to x square minus y square plus xi minus 2xy plus yj moves a particle in the xy plane from 0 0 to 1 1 along the parabola y square equal to x. Is the work done different when the path is a straight line y equal to x? So the first part of the question is you need to find the work done along the parabola y square equal to x starting from the point 0 0 and the terminal point as 1 1. The parameterization of C is, so you have y square equal to x, so put y equal to t, x equal to t square varum, and you know that y varies from 0 to 1. So y is equal to t, so t is varying from 0 to 1. So this is the parameterization of C. Now the work done is given by integral over C f dot dr. So that is integral 0 to 1 x square minus y square plus x dx plus minus 2xy minus y dy. So now giving the parameterization, so you will get the integral in this form. Ni integral evaluate you are going to get minus 2 by 3. So find out the integral on your own. So that is the value of work done. Okay, and now in the second part ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഇതാണ്. Now y equal to x is a different curve which is joining the points 0 0 and 1 1. So y equal to x will join the points 0 0 and 1 1. We need to check whether the work done is different along the path y equal to x. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കൺസർവേറ്റീവ് വെക്റ്റർ ഫീൽഡിൻ്റെ കാര്യം കണ്ടിരുന്നു. സോ ഇഫ് എഫ് can be expressed in the form f equal to del phi. Okay, so നമുക്കൊരു വെക്റ്റർ ഫീൽഡ് f ഉണ്ട്. Now if the vector field f can be put in the form f equal to del phi where phi is the potential function. Okay, then അങ്ങനെ ആണെങ്കിൽ the work done does not depend on the path and it simply depends only on the endpoints. അപ്പം 0 0 to 1 1 എടുത്താൽ ഏത് പാത്തിൽ കൂടെയുള്ള വർക്ക് ഡൺ സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും പ്രൊവൈഡഡ് എഫ് ക്യാൻ ബി പുട്ട് ഇൻ ദി ഫോം ഓഫ് എഫ് ഈക്വൽ ടു del phi. അതായത് എഫിനൊരു പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ദ വർക്ക് ഡൺ വിൽ ബി ദ സെയിം അലോങ് all the paths joining 0 0 and 1 1. Now for checking whether it has a potential function, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് മോഡ്യൂളിൽ കണ്ടതാണ് വെക്റ്റർ ഫീൽഡ് അതായത് if curl f is equal to 0 then you can express f in the form del phi. So we'll check whether curl f 0 or not. അപ്പം f ൻ്റെ corresponding curl f കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. So you will get, so that is going to be equal to 0. So find out the determinant. So you will get 0i plus 0j then 0k. So the vector field is conservative. So once a vector field is conservative, f can be expressed in terms of f equal to del phi express ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. So and in that case the integral is independent of path. So therefore the work done is same along y equal to x.